White heavy checkmark contents, 1 Refrigmatic surge protector for refrigerator, 1 Lavamatic surge protector for washing machine. White heavy checkmark best protection, professional surge protectors, specially designed to protect your refrigerator and your washing machine against high and low voltage, brownout, spike, instant surge, power failure, voltage fluctuation, and load shedding. White heavy checkmark protect your home main appliances. Use Refrigmatic for domestic refrigerators up to 27 cu foot, ice makers, and air conditioners up to 5000 BTU. Use Lavamatic for front and top load washing machines, ensuring that these are safe from power spikes. These brief but powerful spikes can cause irreparable damage to your home equipment. White heavy checkmark delay period and light indicators. The delay period indicator turns on when the countermatic is first plugged to the power outlet or after a power outage. It takes 30 seconds delay time to allow stabilization of the system. Please wait 3 minutes before you plug in your appliance the first time you use this unit. Light indicators for normal, high, low voltage and time delay. White heavy checkmark 100% money back guarantee. We offer 100% money back guarantee with no questions asked. This great product also comes with 10-year warranty for quality related issues. Purchase with confidence and enjoy.